is Maricris Subito. Please watch me. Hope you like it.
Game na, be.
Hi, I'm Maricris and this is Ate Lois. Ate Lois, I have a question to you. Do you have any idea about permutation? Okay. The permutation, in permutation, the order is not important. So, we talk about permutation. We solved some problems about permutation. Now, Ate Lois, evaluate the permutation of 5 taken 4 at a time. What is the answer?
5.
Times 3 times 4 times 2 is equals to 120.
Okay, let's go. Our next topic is circular permutation. In how many ways can 4 people be seated in a round table? Can you solve the problem? But wait. The formula for circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial. And now substitute the given to the formula. Okay, that's correct. Our last topic is all about distinguishable permutation. The formula for distinguishable permutation is dp equals to n factorial all over p factorial, q factorial, and r factorial. Ate, how many distinguishable permutation can be formed in the word pretty?
In the word pretty, there is 6 letters. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over times 1 because the repeated letter is letter P and it is repeated. It means it is repeated but twice. Answer 2 times 1, 2 times 1. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is equals to 360.
My day next week, push down. I refresh Smartway with Smarty. It's
This is Kuya Marlex. Kuya Marlex, do you have any idea about combination? In combination, the order is not important. So, Kuya, evaluate the combination of 6 taken 5 at a time. What do you think is the answer?
6 taken by the 5 at a time is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 all over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel all the same numbers, then we will taken at 6.
How many triangles have drawn in the book?
There are 5 combination of 3 at a time is equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 is equals to 8 times 2 times 1. Cancel here 4 is equal to 3 is equals to 5 times 2 is equals to 10.
Choosing 3 books out of 6.
The combination of 6 out of 3 at a time is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 all over 3 times 2 times 4. Cancel 6 and 3 times 2. 5 times 4 is equals to 12.